definitely want a Bobby Digital story from you.
The most significant one, I would say, I'll give you two, was when he made us the first day we came there, and he said, "All right, come in,"
Yeah.
you know, and he made us go to the shop, the store in Jamaica, and buy 5 pounds of flour and I think 4 pounds of saltfish.
Yeah.
And he made us climb the tree, a ackee tree,
Yeah.
next to the studio, and climb the roof and pick down some ackee.
Mm.
To understand that this music is not about hype, it's not about great vocals and great music, it's about a vibration.
Yeah.
Is it a it is a spiritual experience that is gonna uplift you. And that's
Mm-hmm.
what reggae is. That's what reggae is supposed to be. If it's not that, whether it stems off of reggae or reggae dancehall or lovers rock, it's supposed to make you feel good. That's what it's supposed to do. And of course, ones and ones express themselves differently. But that was the greatest lesson. And when we eat that ackee and sawfish, because we were so eager to work, it's from America, and was like, "Come on, dude, let's go.
Let's
Let's get in
go.
the studio, man. Let's go. What are you doing? Let's
Yeah.
go, Bobby." And he was like, "Easy, man." He's like, "This guy is like, come on." And it just shows that's the vibe of Jamaica. Soon come, no
Yeah.
problem, everything irie.
Yeah.
And that's Jamaica,
Mm-hmm.
you know. And a lot of people need that. And there's a time when you need to fast forward. You mean like get the stuff done. And I think Jamaica has a lot to do so much with even pop culture today. When you talk about people like Drake, the influence of reggae, people like Swiss Beats, the influence of reggae, DJ Khaled,
Yeah.
No Doubt, Sting. Reggae is, I mean, we set the trend in a lot of ways, and
For
Jamaica
sure.
has a lot to be proud of, and Caribbean people overall,
Mm-hmm.
So that Bobby Digital story is close to me because it
Yeah.
showed me a lot about humbling yourself and stay out of the way of progress, right?
Yeah.
Even of your own self. Sometimes a lot of us, we stand in the way of our own progress. Sometimes we need to get out of the way of our progress.
100%.
And the other one is when he discovered my voice on a song I was singing called "Let's Make Up" with my
Okay.
sister Yuna, because Peter is the lead singer of Morgan Heritage and forever will be.
Mm-hmm.
That's the Morgan Heritage business model, and it was so wonderful to watch his eyes pluck out when he heard me sing solo on
Okay.
that song, on the Morgan Heritage album.
Mm-hmm.
And he was like, "Brett, you just so like well, he said Mikey Spice
Yeah.
and
Okay.
Frankie
The
Paul
big,
and
heavy voice.
Taj." Yeah. So it was just that baritone, Luciano has the same thing. Bushman has that same kind of voice. And
Mm-hmm.
it's not a lot of us in Jamaica. Lead singer of Third World, Bunny Ruggs. I mean, it was not a lot of those voices and the Barry Hammonds. And he was just shocked that I was quiet the whole time and then say, "Yo, give me a tune more and sing a tune by myself." It wasn't
Yeah.
that thing. That's not the model, the business model of Morgan Heritage. Peter is the lead singer. And it was amazing that we started to balance. And then over the years, you find that I sing one and two songs like "I'm coming home" and everything will be. And then, the sound was born.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.